Do you keep saying, "I'll do it later"? Procrastination isn't laziness. It's your brain choosing short-term comfort over long-term rewards. Here are 5 psychology-backed habits to help you stop procrastinating. Habit number 1, make the first step ridiculously small. Starting is often the hardest part. Once you begin, your brain finds it easier to keep going. Habit number 2, remove distractions before you begin. Habit number 3, work in short, focused sessions. Even 25 minutes of deep focus can help you build momentum. Habit number 4, celebrate progress, not perfection. Habit number 5, build a daily routine. Consistency makes taking action feel automatic over time. You'll never feel motivated every day, but you can choose to take one small action every day. That's how procrastination loses its power. Subscribe and follow the Mind Shift, GLK, for more psychology and self-improvement content.